What's up, boys? How we doing? Yo! This is the zone I want to buy on gold right here. Hold on. How y'all doing? I need a third screen because the second screen I'm streaming bookmap for Discord. And if you want to see bookmap, I'm streaming it for free on Discord right now. This is the zone where I want to buy. I don't want to buy where buyers get stacked up like this. Yo, what's up, boys? Hold on, let me hop on my phone to see the chat because I'm streaming bookmap inside of Discord. And I only have two screens. I really need a third screen. Let me get my laptop. Give me 1 second, yo. I'm gonna go grab my laptop, you know? Yup. Hello? Can y'all hear me? I got my laptop here. Give me 1 second. Let me set up the laptop. So I can read the chat. Yup. I got my laptop so I can read the chat. Like, I have two screens, but like, I'm streaming bookmap. I really needed a third screen. This is the zone where I want to buy. So right here you can see on bookmap, it is a previous zone where buys break out. You see this red band. And up here, the reason why I don't want to buy on it, uh, at the top, because like a lot of buyers stack up, like they get absorptions without further moving up. So, you know, what I want to see is price come back down here. All of this guy exit, they get squeezed out. And down here, this buyer's down here hold, then I'll take a long. What's up, boys? Let me hop on my laptop to read the chat. Okay. Absorptions of bookmap is pretty simple. It's when, like, let's say right here, absorption is when like you see a lot of buyers, but you know they didn't get the reward. You know, like a lot of effort, but they're getting nothing out of it. And what's gonna happen is that like sell side's gonna, like the seller's gonna come in and take them down. It's simple. You know, trading is about risk and reward. So think about it. If you buy up here, then like price doesn't go up further. You know, would you invest if like you trade don't make any progressions or like even going down, you know? Yes, sir. Hit the like, sub button. And I usually call this as like, you know, late buyers, trap buyers. And I would wait for a retracement before I get in. You see down here, like when we start breaking out, it's not as much as buyers as up here, but you can see it makes a bigger move, which is like this buyers is like really late buyers right here. I wouldn't short this because like again, like yeah, there's absorptions, but like you know, we go an all-time high. What if it's keep going up? You know, like going short right now is risky. I don't short right now. You know, you shouldn't short. You wait for a retracement to keep going long. You like it doesn't make sense if you just go in the short and get just a little bit, but if you go long, there's still a lot above, and we have the momentum to keep going, you know. And if you get, yeah, maybe you can guess the top right here, but you only maybe go down here and it might pull back up, then, you know. But if you trade continuations, like it can keep going up, and you just keep traveling with the momentum. So what I'm gonna wait right down here, absorptions right down here. As I drew the rectangle box right here, where previous buyers break out, I'll look for buyers holding absorptions, and I'll get in. Dude, like Asia will get so many viewers. Like we just start the stream and already 9 views. You know, I feel like Asia is like the best time to stream. Hold on, let me change a little bit. Dude, like Asia is the best time to stream. I swear to God. Like every time we stream Asia, we got like at least 50 viewers. And look, just at the beginning of the stream, we already got 9 views. So you can see right here, this is what the previous value error is, like on this chart volume profile. And this is a low volume node. You can see this low volume node is holding, but you know, it's still not a good price. So I'm expecting this low volume node right down here holding. So I would go in along right here, stop loss just below, and below the low volume node right here, and keep going long. Make some profit, boys. The reason why I don't want to get in at this low volume node, because a lot of trap buyers up here. I want them to get squeezed out first. This session, most volume already traded up here. So this seems like a bullish sign. America's going to sleep. Have a lot of time to watch. Oh yeah, man. Like I think Asia is the best time to stream because everyone's off of work, and you know they're just chilling and hopping people's stream. It's a Sunday night, but I haven't streamed for like a week, and now I felt better. I want to try to stream Asia. Thanks, bro. My hair looks so good. Not really. It's dude, like my hair skin, like my head skin right up here is getting dry as fuck during the winter. So I gotta be back to funded with Topstep. Well, I've take multiple payout with them, and this the longest I ever been like without a funded account. So this is what I'm gonna do. Once price get down here, I'm gonna go into micro with this account and then scale in slowly. I'm a pyramid in as I get more confirmation, but I would test out the water with like 2 micros. Then I might add up to 10. No, you gotta test out the water. It's fine if you take a loss if stop loss is below, you know, and you play it up here. That's a 1 to 4. But you know it's really volatile right now, so stop loss below here would be 100 ticks. So let's see. That's why I want to go in small size first. Let's see on NQ. Q, we testing the trend line again, I guess. Oh. I feel like NQ is really low volume right now because it's Asia, so it's better to be on the goal. See where NQ at on the trading view chart. Okay, we're at previous day January low, which is insane. This might be a good long. To be honest, I might try NQ long. Should at least get some reactions right here. Here, I'm gonna go in 3. Playing back up to the big sellers. The big sellers around up here. 850, but I'll just play it towards the low volume note. The reason why long because we're at previous daily Vanilla low, and I do see some buyers getting in right here. There we go. Buyers getting in. Some quick profit. Okay, I'm gonna move to 100 brisk. So let's see. There's no major sellers until like 814, which is right up here. But all of this going down, it's just like buyers getting absorptions. And then like we add a key zone, which buyers might gain control right here. See if can catch at least a 1 to 4. I might take half out at 1 to 2. Bottom tick. So on bookmap, this is what you're gonna see. We had a key zone, and hold on, let me turn on NQ bookmap. We had a key zone, and we got sellers absorptions. So buyers start to getting in, and we had a previous day Vanilla low. You know, that's why I got in. Which mean right down here, buyers are interest to buy in, and sellers getting trapped. And let's see. Damn, 17 viewers. I'm telling y'all, bro, Asia be crazy. You know, Asia be crazy. Come on, I need 4 more days for a payout, for another payout. Just give me 500 bucks, I'll be good. With just 3 micros. And see buyers, sellers getting absorbed, buyers start getting in. Yo, what's up, Han? I can go break even right now. Actually, I'll move to like 37 risk. So let's see if we can get 1 to 5 trade. So you know, Instant profit right there when seller get trapped. Instant profit. You know, you don't buy at the top, sell at the low. You buy at extreme, you know, or sell at extreme. That's how you become profit. Like this is like previous day annual low. This is mean like this is considered as cheap as previous day. So this is where you should get in. If you see sign of like sellers, it's like it's not getting a reward. And you know, when I see sellers not no longer getting a reward right here, this means like price is getting too cheap. So price might come back to retest like to see okay if this is a good range to trade within. Damn, 744. Okay, W, bro. But look, volume profile just worked, you know? Look at this shit, bro. You know, value low. And I was like, damn, NQ is good to go in, you know? It's good to go in with the those trap short sellers. And absorption is just like that, simple. You see, a big sellers come in, and why the fuck price just snap back, right? Because someone down here was absorbing and buying this shit, and this seller is now in a loss, and we're not gonna be meeting. We're not gonna see another big sellers until the 840, which is like there's a lot of room for it to keep going up. Try that shit, nah. Gotta let it work. So this is what I usually do. So I don't trail when I see when there's no red candle yet. So I would want to see red candles and buy support around right here. I know, okay, yeah, buy is now support right here. Then I'll trail up that. But now we don't have any base. It's just like a V shape up. I need to see a base first to trail the shit, right? If I trail, why would I trail it? When my TB is up here, bro. I need a base, you know? I need to see some support from the buyer. So now I know, okay, this is a good trail. And if price fall below here, my trade's invalidate, you know? I need to see a base. So like, let's say red candle go down here, retracement, this holding, okay, I know buyers supporting right here. So I trail my stop loss right here. But I can go break even right now, to be honest. You know? I'm going for 1 to 5 trade. I cannot trade early, trail it early. I want to see a base first. And first TB, I would want to make it 1 to 2, maybe. No, let's make it 1 to 3. This is a really good trade. There's still a lot of room. So I'll make it a 1 to 3. Actually, I'll take one now at 1 to 2. Okay, I'll take one at 1 to 3 and the other one at 1 to 4. And once there's a base here, I'm gonna trail the one right here, and we good for 1 to 5. Okay, so like, see, there's a base right here. Reason why? Because like there's a big buys right here, and they supporting. But I feel like I'm a trail after we break 785, which is like a key zone right there. But I'm obviously gonna trail break even right here after seeing this base. But we gotta break 85 right here. If we break 85, my stop loss right down here should be good. 85, big wall. Damn, bro. Just start the session and already up to 103 micros. Come on now. You don't chase the short, you wait patiently. Just like I was gonna wait on gold, but like NQ just seems too good to get in, you know. I gotta get in NQ. It's like fucking discount. You know, discount, really discount. And I see buyers holding. Fucking discount. Okay, first approach at the 85 wall. If we break this, there's gonna be a buzz up towards here. But I'm gonna try around 50 bucks profit. Yep, the wall is. You can see the wall is holding, but like buyers also wanted to push it. Like buyers don't give up right here. You can see it's buyers getting aggressive. So let's see. You see sellers getting absorbed, so someone is buying in. Yeah, I do trade gold. I was gonna trade gold, but like NQ was good, so like I just get on NQ. I was like, damn, NQ is at a really discount price. So instead of gold, I just went on NQ. Damn, I don't usually trade Asia, but like streaming during Asia is good because like everyone is off of work and you know I got a lot of viewers. But during New York, it's kind of boring. It's not a lot of viewers. Usually, Asia stream like we usually every new Asia stream we break a new record. Last time the new record was 100 viewers, close to 100 viewers. Come on, break 78, and I'm a trail below here. Eight. I mean like 78.5. Yes, there we go. Sellers getting absorbed right here. I just call it. And if buyers push up right here, we get to trail. That's all I need. Just get above that. But you can see you can use bookmap to know key zone. On a candle chart, you wouldn't know this is a key zone, maybe. You know, maybe yeah, resistant, but like bookmap give you more details, like exactly price where the resistance is at, like where like you know we have some obstacle in the way. Yeah. Some limit orders got pulled off, and buyers really aggressive right now. You can see like sellers trying to sell, but like someone's supporting. They're getting absorbed, so this is a really good sign for this shit to pull up. Yep. If sellers want to sell it, it would come down already. You know, this mean like when you see base like this mean buyers supporting. That's why like you see a higher high, right? It was like you see the trend was going down, and then we finally get, you know, a higher low right here. It's you know like when seller want to push down, it's quick. We don't hold like this. When you see base like this, that's mean buyers holding. You know. So we just consolidating right now with the breakout. That's why I feel like I might be wrong. I don't care, but I'm already in a good trade, you know? I wouldn't get in up here. If I go in a long, I would wait price to retrace down back here to get in a long. But I'm already in a good trade. I don't care. So we break 78. I'm going to trail to the base. Oh, rejections, absorptions on sellers again. You know, if sellers fail to push down right here, they finna get squeezed, baby. You already know. So let's see. Soon as we get above 785, this shit gonna squeeze up about right here quickly. Yo, what's up, JB? Fucking 21 viewers, bro. Like, I swear to God, Asia stream's always better, bro. Fucking shit. Yep, so let's get absorbed again. Let's see if it can rip this seller off. Push through quickly, 85, and I'll try right here, which is really good. Securing like 150 profit if it does reverse. Usually I would add more in right here. I'm thinking about adding more. But it's Asia sessions, so I don't know. I don't like to add during Asia sessions. Yeah, I'm Vietnamese, but I'm trading from the U.S. But I'm Vietnamese though. There we go. Get them short squeeze, baby. Okay, I'm a trail now. It shouldn't come back. If it does, I'll take 121 bucks. That's how you trail. It might be early trail, but I don't care. It's already a good absorptions and good push up, so I would happy to take 121 bucks right here. If it does not go up. I need 4 more days. Get me some. Give me 500 today. I need like 3K payout. Come on. Okay, goal is approaching our buy zone right here. Buy zone is rectangle. Break 78. I'll trail it up a little bit more. Probably 150 bucks profit. 78.5. I need to pass this 150K account. Dude, lately I have not been focused on trading. I've been focused more in investing. Yep, this looked like a squeeze up for me. Up until like 840. 8, 8, 818, 840. Yeah, like around this zone right here. 840, 818. Around this zone. That's why we find a good sell, a big good enough seller to defend. Yeah, but you know, I don't want to buyers to spend more time here. They need to push above 85. The more time they spend, it's like absorptions. Like the more buyers getting in, but no progression. It's like it's fucked. So I need them to push up right now. I'm gonna get one out. I'll just get one out. I'll leave two in. I don't know, but I think it's pretty good decisions right here. Securing some profit. Then I'll take first profit here. Goes down here, I'll take 81 bucks. Plus 65, that's pretty good. No, 85 still holding, 785. But after we break 785, we should squeeze up towards here pretty quickly. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just get one out if it go down towards here. I want to give this um trade a chance. I don't do one mini, man. All I do is I get payouts. I don't care about how much profit I make. Consistent payout. That's it. As long as I make money, that's all matter, man. Alright, if I get take out right here. Yep. That first take profit was good because like, you know, bias was not really have strength right there, so it might retrace back right here. If I break even right here, that's good. I'll take $100 profit. Big sellers stepping in. Damn. Sheesh. Yep. Sellers getting aggressive again. Nice, bro. Yeah, I close two off around up here, but like I want to give this a chance. That's why I'll leave one open. But it seems like my chance getting slim. No, I don't full port combines. Like I'm trading this one right now. I don't full port them. Oh, seems I'm about to get stop out. Yeah. Yeah, seller like stepping like just a huge one right here. And bam. And you know, buyers was hesitating up here. They didn't really push through. That's why like uh I want to take that profit right at the top, you know. It doesn't seem good. And I took another one off right here. Yeah. I mean like, you know, I already know like this might happen, so you know, I already prepare for it. So it's not really a surprise. Damn, bro. I might want to take this off also. Take the $25 profit. Yep, I'll take it. I don't feel good. I feel like I'm gonna get break even right there, but let's just take the 25 profit. And goal is approaching my buy zone right here. Nice, that's a W, you know, like just take it slow on the combine. You know, people who full port on combine, they lose a lot of money. As long as if you take the combine slowly, you know, you're not losing a lot of money, like not a lot of money come out of your bank. You should not get in tilt, you know, you should be good. That's why I don't trade minis anymore. Cause like minis get me tilt. Cause like every time I blow account, I gotta. It's time, right? Like I wasted my time. I need to pass another combine, then start all over again. So let's say this one, I'm up 3K profit, right? And if I do mini, just one wrong move, it could completely destroy. This is how long? Like a month of progress, right? And I've done that before. Like I destroy account with like 6K. Like I destroyed 10K profit that I could take out. Like one of the account was like 6K in balance, and I destroyed it with minis. What age? I started trading like 7 months ago. No, since April, so yeah, seven. No, 9 months. Okay, go approaching buy zone. Let's see if we hold right here. But to be honest, I would want to get in with one micro, which is we had the VWAP also. So I'm gonna try out one micro. Then I'm gonna scale in slowly. I'm gonna add in maybe if I get more info. I'm gonna add in. Sellers absorptions right here. That's why I got in. But let's see. Then we have the buyers right here. You can see big sellers getting absorbed. Below this point would be invalidated because like this is why like the buyers create a base and break out, you know. Let me go get a drink real quick. How we doing, boys? Please give me a like and a sub. Alright, we're holding again. I might add in another one. I want to see this 5 minutes candle close though. Absorptions, holding multiple times. You know, all of his sellers but failed to push down. But I want to wait for the next 5 minutes candle before decide though. Also at the EMA 9 of 15 minutes. Also at the VWAP. Even though this absorptions, right? But they still might able to push it down, you know. So what I want to see is green bubbles. I don't want to go in before any green bubbles or scale more in. And if I DCA, I would DCA around here, which is pretty good. No, I haven't tried TBT. I just don't like trolling drawdown. Yeah, I'm gonna add in another one right here. Max losses around right here. Or if we could pull up just above the sellers, I'll add more in. You can see on 4-hour chart is also a big time frame support right here. We push above, we come back. This might be the retest. So let's see. Oh, pretty good. I might add in another one soon. Let's go. Trap sellers. Probably this people was chasing short. And a big buyers just come in. I'm adding soon, y'all. I was gonna add right here, but okay, I'll add right here. Pretty soon. Give me 600 bucks. I'll be good. I would want to set my stop loss just right under that trap sellers. Shouldn't come back. If it does, I'm just gonna get better entry right down here. But it shouldn't. From my experience, it shouldn't come back. Just gotta push above this sellers, and it's gonna be a quick squeeze back up towards here. I might take some profit up there, or even higher. As soon as we push about right here, I'm gonna break even. If this sellers fail to push down right here, we're gonna go up, which they're getting absorbed right now. You can see multiple absorptions right here. Someone is supporting. And it's fine if we take a loss trade. What matters, this might give me 680. Risk 110 for 680. Let's see though. Bro, I hope this just give me a lot of momentum so like I just go up. If we take this loss, we still have $20 for the day. But you see when I see crap seller like this at the big buyers like key zone, like it should be a good buy. Just break above here. We good to set stop loss right under here and reduce the risk. There's no buyers getting in yet, like no aggressive buyers yet. It's just been sellers. You can see the CVD chart. But price refusing to go down, that's a good sign that the shit about to squeeze. I just don't know when, but like this is telling me like seller is like really weak right now. We can. Damn, they've been consolidating here forever. That was a good exit on NQ because NQ keep going down. I would get break even right now. So I know I would get break even from seeing those sellers getting in. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. Damn, bro, you short at the open on goal? That's not a good sign for buyers right there. Oh, damn, I thought you short at open goal. Nice, bro. W, bro. Come on, just give me 680 bucks. Another 680 bucks, or give me 400 bucks. I'll be out of here. Okay, buyer support again, right down right here. Since we push above here, I'm a trout. Just right here. Damn, bro, Meto's crazy. Yeah, I don't trade. I only trade gold with metal, so I never touch silver. Okay, buyer supporting. Oh shit, I'm streaming the wrong thing. I was looking at gold. But I was saying like Sal is getting absorbed right here. Shit, I was streaming NQ. Okay, I'm a trial. Risking 52 bucks, not too bad. Yeah, but I was saying like we had trap sellers right here, and I know, most of the time it's gonna be a good long where we had the big buyers in key zone, previous key zone right here. And reason why earlier I didn't take a long up here because I don't like to take long when I see a lot of buyers getting stuck at the top. So I waited, price come down here. I'm not FOMO, which is BWAP, EMA9, which is really good. Good sign for continuations. With buyers supporting right now. And, 700 bucks is possible. Go is volatile right now. I wouldn't want to add more. So I just imagine trade go up here. I would make 500 for the day already. I don't need to add more. But we push above here. I'm gonna go break even. Hey, we're getting above EMA 9, EMA 21 right now, which is really good. Now I just want to see this EMA 9 hole. We have a good push up. Not, I'll take 52 buck loss, which is all good. We went from 100 bucks loss to 52 bucks, which is really good. And potential of winning 686 bucks. I'm gonna keep trolling though. I don't know if it can go that far. This candle flip green. I'm a break even. I need EMA 9 to hold right here. Yes, it's holding. Just compressing. I say, you know, if you want to trade gold, it's consolidating right now. You need a good stop loss. Otherwise, you're gonna keep getting stop out. It's consolidating really bad right now, and that was a good break even. Let's check out an NQ. Kind of get through that first wall right there. My God, that was a big order. It's just dumbed down towards there. Holy shit! And look, now all of this orders look small now because like this was a big order, and it does actually get filled. The fuck. Oh my God! And look, now all of this order looks so small. It's like tiny bubble now. Okay. The fuck. Oh my God. I'm gonna try to a big sell like that, but it didn't dumb down, so I might try to go in one micro. 27 bucks risk. Then I'll scale more in later, of course. Oh my God. One to seven trade. What do you mean sound, bro? No, damn, this a huge absorptions. Another huge wall down here, so I mean like risk 27 bucks is good. Like the order was so big that like now all the other bubbles look so fucking tiny. Might scale more in though. I'm gonna add in another one. Here, risk 61. And around right here is the next sellers, which is 35. If we do reverse right here, so pretty good. Let's see. 1 to 7 R. Damn, bro. If you accidentally lock yourself out, even if you chat support, they couldn't do anything. Damn, bro. Rip. Okay. That's a good absorptions. Now if we push, we're gonna finna get a good squeeze. Up. Dude, to be honest, I want my stop loss to be down here now. It shouldn't come back. So 33 bucks risk. Going for 366. That's 15 R. Damn, bro. How you accidentally lock yourself out? Come on, let's see if we can get this 15 trade using bookmap. Bookmap, bookmap. Damn, bro. For trade max. Rip. Damn, bro. Yeah, you if you wanted to, but I would say just be patient, man. Come back tomorrow. It's fine. It's Monday, man. Tomorrow's gonna be Monday. Why you wanna risk on on Monday, first day of the week? You know, bookmap allow me to get this sniper entry. So absorptions, buyers getting in. It felt to keep pushing down. Bottom tick, bottom tick, and what? We're at Vanilla low, previous day Vanilla low, which is really good discount price. And I would risk $33 or $60 for 366 bucks any day of the week. Damn, bro, condemned for what? Dude, the order was so big that like all other bubbles are small, and when I see that good absorptions, bro, I had to go for a long. It was a quick spike down, as I say, absorptions right around right here. I got in a long. Yeah, bro. Bottom tick, got a bottom tick. You know, it's not like just some random level. It's on bookmap. What I see on bookmap right here, right? It's not random level. Or you can use, level 2 data, but like, you need to be really good with it. Because bookmap is basically level 2 data, but like visualized, you know. But with data 2 level, like, you need to read the numbers and you gotta analyze the number, not the image like bookmap. So right here, okay, so first of all, we had previous daily low. That's just already a good key level to go in for a long. So I got my first long here with first profit, right? And there was absorptions earlier too. So, and second of all, we have big, limit bias right here supporting price. And seller is trying to push down, but you see here a big order just dumping, but no progression through. And usually, like if we get through this wall, it should just flush, but instead it it does nothing, and then buyers start getting in, and this is where I got in right here. You know how much I pay? Like 100 something bucks for a month. Yeah, it's basically support and resistance, but instead of just rectangle or line on the chart, it's like real limit buyers, like or sellers, or you can call it liquidity in the market too. And you see, if you're on a live account, this is where if you want to go in for, you know, if you want to go in for a short, this is where you're gonna get the best fill, because a lot of people wanted to buy in, and this is where you're gonna get the best fill. You know, so let's say if you want to go in 100 contracts around this big level, you're gonna get fill instantly. But Profum is different. You guys gotta try out live trading. It's completely different. Your fill, you need to be at good liquidity zone to if you're with like a big, if you want to go in big contracts. Oh, 2026, yes. Why did I put 2025? I forgot to change that. Oh shit, bro. New year but still owe me. The hell? Let me change that real quick. New year owe me. I'm still living in the 2025. Damn, 25 viewers. Come on now. No, this is the same. Live account is like when you have your personal account, or yeah, maybe like you go to live with prop firm. Live account is when you have a broker account and you actually use your own money to trade. Like you are a real participant in the market. And this is just paper trading, you know. But you can get profit. So this is just like sim, you know, trading, but you can get profit out. It's not real orders in the market. It's just a paper account, but they pay you. So, you know, there's never real money unless you get to live stage. Yeah, the feel is definitely different with real capital. If you check out what's his, selling rips, he will talk about it, like how the feel is different between prop firm and real capital. Since he has $1 million in personal account and he trade big size, he can tell you different between real capital and, you know, paper trading. He usually do like 5-10 minis. Selling rips, he also used bookmap. He's an order flow trader just like me using bookmap, and he's a really good order flow trader. A lot of respect to him. He's a wise man. He's really wise with his trade. Like he got a lot of experience. Like he's really patient. And when needed, he gonna go on, just press on that pedal and go big size and scaling like big size. Selling rips. Selling RIPS. Selling rips. This is his YouTube right here. You know, damn, 31 viewers. The hell? Yep, rips at Market House. Market Clubhouse. Boy, this is his ex. Really good trader. He trade live capital.
They're still squeezing the out of these people. Like a lot, a lot. Jesus Christ. Maybe sweep the 4 hour low, the previous 4 hour low. Is 67.15 gonna hold? Every pullback they're eating right now. Every single pullback.
See, he call out trade just
I'll take that.
how, just like any other order flow trade. This is his live capital right here. He trade on a real account. Yeah, he trade on a real account with $1 million in capital.
45, 45, 45. That break of VWAP kept me in actually. It's great. And then maybe make a
He live trading too. In the morning.
Little traffic at 75. So we're up about 40K on the day so far.
Imagine 40K in that small trade. What size he gotta use, you know? So the fill is like, it's really difficult. He needs to be at a really, really liquid spot for, you know, let's say right here, if you want to get in the sell, really big size, you gotta go where in the red band. Okay, so this is Alpha Futures. Right now, there's no major discount. Usually, discount they will announce it on the Discord, but Alpha is really good because if you take a payout, max loss limit don't move, and right now only 10% off because no discount. But this is what you're gonna, you know. So for a zero plan, you know, no activation fees. You get 90% profit share. And let's say if you make 1,000, you want to make withdraw 500. With other firm, you only have 500 left to trade, right? But with Alpha, you still have 1,500 because max loss limit don't move. And let's say if you use code Nikki, it's gonna be. Oh, I cannot use my own. Um, what other code that I can use? Fuck, I don't know any. But you're gonna get 10% off. You know, maybe try Alpha. I don't. I cannot use my own code. So hold on. Let me search up one of the traders' code so I can show you how much is the price. Yeah, you can pass in 1 day, but the thing you have daily drawdown of $1,000. So if you hit this, you're gonna get auto locked out. You're gonna get locked out, and you will have to come back the next day. You know, and a 100K account, if you apply the 10% code, you get it costs around $160. No, you know, no activation fee, but you get $4,000 in drawdown. And you don't need to make the buffer because this is what I do. I just make 1,000, maybe sometime more on the first payout, and I take 500 out, and I still have the full $3,500 in drawdown without building any buffer, which is why Alpha is so good. But I'm about to take a pretty decent payout. Seems like today we don't have a loss yet. Pretty decent payout. This is consistent, you know. You don't need minis, just consistent, and you know for sure you get payout, you know. Yes, can we get at least like 10 light? Come on. Damn, bro, why price move so slow? Just give me a good squeeze. Get me out of this market. Give me a 15 R tray. I'll be good. Do I copy trade right now? No, I've been not focused on trading. I've been focused more on investing. So, you know, I'm just chilling right now. But I'm planning to copy trade again. I used to have like 10 plus accounts. I used to like fucking just get all the payouts. Crazy. It's crazy money. Like once you make it, bro, like it's really a life changing amount of money. You know. And recently I got I got rechecked for one of the payout. Cause just one of my trade has an I accidentally trade news. I didn't mean to trade news, but I had a limit order I forgot to cancel, and it got rejected. But I'll get it this time. It's really life changing money. And I started to trade with Alpha since November. I think I'm gonna save this combine for New York. Oh, we break out and go right here. I might want to take a quick scalp at the 86 though. Just a quick trade with this account. Yes, it has one of the best. So like, let's say with Topstep, right? You have 4,000 drawdown, you know, and before you build a buffer, let's say your balance only have 2K and you take 1K out, they only left you with 1K in drawdown to trade with. But with Alpha, it's different. Max loss limit don't move. If you take 1K out, you still have 3K to trade with, which is they only deduct the 1K out, and not like, you know, the balance doesn't reset. The max loss limit doesn't reset to 0. Oh, you hope it's chopped tomorrow. I want to get entry around right here. Just quick scaff with this account. Around the 87. Let's see. It's about 130 bucks. 150 bucks. And we're going for 500. Like around right here. But even more. Let's see. I'm just let this account run. I feel like I'm gonna go break even right here, and then I'm just gonna focus on the Topstep account. Which is pretty good. Fucking 15R. Come on, just a little bit more. Go, go, go. I don't want to get up here. I know what my risk is. 150 bucks. Which is, hold on. Right around right here. I'm going for 500 bucks. Up there is not my risk. And I'm not chasing it. No, 3,000 buffer is just like example. But you get 4,000 do in 4,000 in drawdown, which is already so good. And they have advanced plans, which is like you can withdraw up to 15,000. That's the max. So let's say Topstep is 5, right? But this is 15,000, and you know your starting profit share is like 90%. But standard plan is the same, but like starting profit, first and second one is like 70%, third one is 80, and fourth and above is like 90%. So advanced plan is like, dude, it's really good. $15,000 max, you know, withdraw. And Topstep's only 5K, so think about it. Which one's better? Oh, just a little bit more. It's fine. I'm not chasing. Damn, bro, M4? That's a good choice, man. Damn, but I do prefer M3 though, because I like 4-seater better. M3 or M5. But M4 is a good choice too. I feel like, you know, BMW is known for the 4 seats. With the M's. Yes, sir. You got it, bro. And we got a lot of viewers. And Q Tray still running slowly, riding up. But dude, like this is a good OR, right? What's your trim car? Right now I would want to get a Corvette C7, like manual. Manual C7. This is a good trade, right? Like bottom tick using bookmap. Dude, you know when you get the M, that should only be single digit. Single digit. They don't like the, you know. Yes, sir, bro. I love driving manual. It's like, holy fucking shit. Look at this shit. Ah. I want to get a Nissan's 350Z for drifting though. I love drifting. I have a steering wheel at my house and I drift my friend's car to manual car. I try with auto car, but like it does not the same. Like you cannot clutch kick and stuff like that. You cannot really control the, how much power you want to butt in. 175 bucks for 500. Already good R. It's 150k, so 175 bucks is nothing, right? I might even want to add more if I get confirmations. Bam, 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 bam. Big buyers. Yeah. Dude, like Corvette, bro, like, dude, I don't know. I'ma just get, you know, Stingray Corvette and then like put supercharge on it instead of like getting, CO6 or something like that. Fucking slap is way cheaper. But the body is obviously not gonna look as good, but uh, you know, I don't care about the body, bro. All I care is like what's inside the car. Dude, like, I love driving manual. It's just like the feeling when you shift, like you're with the car, like you're you're in the car's one, like like it feels fucking like Fast and Furious. And Q, don't stop me out. At least we was up like 1-2 right there, or 1-2. Oh, we was up 1-4, you know, but we at 115. I'm from Texas, so with all the muscle car and stuff, Texas is a good state to be in if you wanna own a muscle car. Big sellers, big sellers. I might lose this trade right here. But you can see the zone I threw out, like you could bottom ticket. But earlier it was consolidating for so long. I am not willing to like just, you know. This is why like I love trade New York better because if I threw out this one during New York, as soon as I get in, profit right away. We go up. Damn, FRS, I love FRS too. I know this car guy on TikTok, bro. He has a blue FRX, like it's like wrap, vinyl wrap. Looks fucking insanely good. And back really low too. Damn, bro, you from Texas too? Come on now, let's cruise. Hell yeah, man. Dude, Corvette possibly beat the M4. M4, like maybe you need to tune it. Corvette, like it's a cheap and fast, really fast car. I drove one of my friends' C8 Corvette. That shit was quick, bro. It was insanely quick, bro. But like one of the thing I was trying to teach my friend how to burn out in a CA Corvette, and you cannot burn out on a CA Corvette at all, like which is insane. I don't know why you cannot burn out on a CA Corvette. Maybe because it's a, it's a mid engine or some shit. I don't know. But I tried to burn out, it didn't work. I searched it up. Also, like no one was talking about burning out. So that's why I would better get the fucking like C7, C8. It's not good. Oh my god, big sellers there. This might not be good, y'all. If they push down right here, I hope they get absorbed. Not really sure about this trade now when I see that big sellers. Unless we push above them again. Fuck it, I'm gonna go break even. I don't feel safe when I see seller like this on the push up. I don't feel safe at all. Oh, how to hit map? It's just like basically I look for key zones. So like let's say NQ right here, how I got the bottom tick because key zone. A lot of sellers selling in, but didn't push through. That's mean they're getting absorbed. That's mean like buyers supporting. And this sellers is just getting trapped. When imagine if you're a seller right here, would you invest if you're in a loss, or like if you keep selling but like you didn't get any reward, right? So that's the concept. And when I start seeing buyers coming in, that's when I get in. And that's how I caught this kind of bottom tick, because I want to wait for the confirmation, right? So I wait for the buyers to get in. So around right here, I got in. I was up like 1 to 5 R, but shit, man, it's consolidating right now. 2.47 R. And gold, we're doing good too, which is another bottom tick. Yes, traction control is off. Everything is off. Like advance off. Like it just didn't work. I've had drifting, burnout, multiple cars before, but C8 you cannot do that. Okay, I'll take a break even on gold. Yeah, when I see that sellers right there, I just want to go break even, bro. Like fuck. It's fine if we got break even. It's like just $100 profit. I don't know if I want to take it. Come on, get above the sellers. We squeeze them. Give me $500 for this account. That's the start. Fuck. Hmm. Choosy, choosy. I'll take 3 out. Pretty choosy. Pretty choosy. I'm from Dallas, man. I'm from Dallas. Dallas, Texas. And I'm about to break even. I got in around right here, and now we're back to break even, which is fine. If you want a big R trade, gotta be patient. I could take profit right here too, but like, you know, that was a big absorption, and I feel like NQ gonna come back and retest. Also, we have previous manual low of the day, so there's a lot of room for it to retrace at least back up here. But it's fine. I'll take break even. Fuck. Break even again. We bottom tick twice. Over here we take this only take profit. We bottom tick on gold. We bottom tick on NQ. We both got break even, which is not good. But that was a good run. That was a 1 to 5 R. And I just didn't take profit. Dude, we aim for something bigger. For gold, I think I'm gonna get break even too. $44 viewers. Let's fucking go, y'all. Give me a like. Give me a sub. Come on now. How we only have 12 likes? Let me see if I can find another trade for y'all. But right now, after those break even, I got reset and analyze again. Um, that's a good snapback, but dude, no, we're making a lower high now. I expect it to just push up right here, but so right now I'm gonna be patient because we might push down towards here before any reverse. So if we push up, we would have like make, get above this, low and get above. You can see it is a resistance right here, but sellers obviously defending. So I might wait. And reason why I don't want to short it because right now we're at a pretty fucking discount price, and it's not good to short. If I want to play continuation short, I would want to short up here. So I'm a long up here, I'm short down if I see absorptions up here. You don't short down here. But gold been, and Q been compressing. So a big move about to happen. You can see this. It's been just consolidating. It hasn't moved anywhere. And this is the range, right? Volume profile chart. Shit, it's not loading. And we're currently at the POC, so this is the lower of the range, higher of the range. After seeing this, I think we might go down here in a couple days. But for today, I still want to long up towards here and then short down. Oh, we got break even. It's fine. We got $100. Alright, absorptions again. I'm thinking. We should get in because I bookmap. It's telling me to get in. Alright, cool. Go for this shit. Dude, but on a higher time frame, I don't feel this is a good long until we push down there. I gotta think if it's gonna be. Hold on, let me exit real quick. Because I think like looking at the higher time frame, I still feel like it's gonna push down run right here before upside. But lower time frame is like looking good. But I feel like it's just gonna be a quick trap right here and just push down towards here. Yep, that was good exit. Sorry y'all. Like I was just thinking like it's a pretty hard zone to decide right now. So if I want to get in a good long with this chart right now, making a lower high, lower low, it's gonna be down here. So I'll take that 15, 21 bucks loss. Fuck it. I would take that. You know, when you're unsure about the trade, just get out. And I don't know. I was really unsure about the trade. And I look higher time frame again, and logic telling me to wait. But my guts want to be impatient right now. My guts want to get in. But I gotta stay logic, bro. Gotta stay logic. Stay cool. Go down here, bro. Play back up here. That's a lot of profit. If you just be patient and wait for it to go down here, or if it goes up, then fine. But go down here, gonna be really good zones. 2 micro would make you like 500 bucks. Come on now. Today we are green. But yeah, it's 9 p.m. right now, and there's not a lot of volume, so I'll get off stream since we've been streaming for like how long? An hour and 40 minutes. And I'll see you next time though. And I'm gonna start to stream Asian more since like I know a lot of people in the morning goes to work and a lot of people couldn't get in. And if you want to learn about bookmap, or if you have questions and any question about bookmap, just get into my Discord.